Good afternoon, Barry, Brand Director from QuickSilver Sound Architects, and I am joined with me, to my left is Ollie Squire, Sales Director, and to my right is our Logistics Director, Ben Seeger. And we're doing a special today where we're going to put ourselves to the test and speak about each one of these amazing McLaren systems for just 1 minute each, and try not to basically mess it up, which I already have. If one of us does, the other two will jump in at the end and sort of just emphasise what we have neglected to say. So who should go first? Is it me or is it you?
Pressure.
Okay, I'll go first. Before you have, this is a rear section for a McLaren. Oh, I haven't hit the timer first.
Hit the timer.
I'm rolling. McLaren 720S P14 system, I do believe. This is ceramic coated in our stealth black finish. This basically knocks out the massive rear silencer. What we've done instead, we have an asymmetrical crossover pipe which increases the transient sounds and really delivers a beautiful sound for your 720S. We have flexi hoses here to help reduce the vibration in the engine bay, and also the ceramic coating. This reduces heat in the bay up to, I think, 980 degrees Celsius. I still have 24 seconds to talk about this rather simplistic system, but it increases flow and it has amazing sound. And why would you get this fitted? Because basically your McLaren 720S does not sound that good from stock. Still 10 seconds to go. It uses exactly the same fittings at the flange end and at this end, so it's a direct replacement for the rear section. Who's next?
Right. I'm going next. I've got the QuickSilver tip. The QuickSilver carbon tip. Are we rolling? Yeah. This is a special one. This is from McLaren P1, which is a very special vehicle. Some people confuse these products with the similar looking products that come on the P11, so the really early cars, the MP412C and that sort of thing. But this is for the P1 only. So these parts, they knock out the original catalyst, which was originally there was a large 600 CPSI here and another 300 CPSI further down that wasn't monitored. We've put a longer 300 CPSI cat in with the bungs. These are nicely coated in a glacier titanium, exactly the same as what Barry said, so like 970 degrees Celsius. We have the OEM factory tabs, so you can put the OEM heat shields back on. Everything's bolt straight on, considerably louder than original. No engine lights, no mapping required. Faster, louder, could spit some flames. How much time have we got left? Oh, perfect!
All right, are we ready?
1 minute. Go.
Here we go. The flagship in our McLaren downpipe range. These are our P14, so anything 720 based downpipes. Now, crucially, unlike the other ones that retain integral heat shielding, the P14 series did not. It had lagging from factory, and our criticism of many of the other downpipes on the market is that they do not have sufficient heat protection. These things run hot. There's wiring looms that run right next to them, so we need to make sure that these are running super cool underneath. So what have we got? We have got T304 integral stainless steel lagging with stuffing. This is not just stuff tacked on to the end. We've got ventilation breathers in here so that they're not going to explode, which is kind of important. And we have up top 300 CPSI catalyst, no remapping required. Chuck them in through the wheel arches. Happy days. No, I'm that good, all right.
Oh, that's good. Okay, well, did we miss anything, George?
I can't think of anything.
Did I miss anything? I missed something.
You missed the factory valves.
Yeah, there we go.
So some of the 720s will come with a McLaren sports exhaust, which does have valve control. It's not great. We knock it out completely. If your car does have the sports exhaust with the valves, we'll supply terminator connectors. so you won't have to remap the car won't get angry and throw engine management lights. Made in-house, funny enough, by the cameraman. So
Turn it around, champ. Get stuck in, champ.
Yeah, well, I mean, I think that's it really. If you have any more questions, give the guys at the office a ring today or tomorrow, or email us. We can supply these to your door, or we can supply it to a dealer, can't we? A range of dealers.
Dealer to your door, to your dog, whatever you want.
there we go.
Cool.
All the best.
It's all right.
God bless.